The current marine and offshore industry is seeking a revival. After going through some challenging times, resilience is the only way forward. Rapid Offshore Marine has evolved as an industrial leader in providing one-stop integrated solutions for offshore and marine asset owners since 1990. After more than 200 projects, costing over $550 million, Rapid Offshore and Marine has emerged as one of Singapore's major providers of complete turnkey solutions for the industry, providing high-quality products and services with a strong commitment to health and safety. From design to delivery, every process is overseen by the quality control team. A high standard of product service and quality is crucial, and is achieved by the strictest safety standards and practices. With our global partnerships, resources, and extensive technical capacities, Rapid Offshore Marine are original equipment manufacturers, providing customized packaged solutions for turnkey projects as well as providing reliable offshore and onshore service support to vessel owners and operators. We are always committed to comply with the latest industrial technologies as well as regulatory requirements. Rapid Offshore Marine is fully focused on continual improvement to equip ourselves with updated engineering practices and technological knowledge. The safety culture and commitment of Rapid Offshore and Marine has been recognized by the industry, unanimously providing a strong foundation towards engineering excellence. Complete as a one-stop hub, Rapid Offshore and Marine brings under its wings the core expertise of Rapid Marine HVAC, Vernair HVAC, Rapid Offshore Integrated Engineering, as well as having a strong presence around the region. Having a strong hold of local and global workforce, our team has quality, competence, and capability. Covering the full spectrum of scopes and services, EPCIC, Rapid Offshore Marine provides for complete HVAC solutions. With the growing support of our esteemed clients, we continue to deliver excellence. Resilience and reliability is assured with Rapid Offshore Marine.